Hey, thanks for coming to the corner today.
Quick look at my cigar box collection, and these two over here happen to be my oldest ones that I inherited from my father-in-law. The lid came off of this one. I was trying to, the lid was warped and I tried to straighten it, but it ended up coming off, so oh well, no big loss. Back when cigars were 8 cents a piece, I noticed on these newer cigar boxes, these were 13 a piece, yeah, 10 bucks a piece. So, you know, between 10 and 20 bucks a piece for cigars where they're at today. So, Pappy's son used to work at a cigar lounge, and he hasn't worked there for a couple of years, but he was able to bring home some empty cigar boxes. And you can see what's nice about some of these is they even have a nice decorative inside lid too on these. So there's generally something on the inside you can see. This one here is kind of unique. It comes right off, but you know, you can set this up so you can display your cigars. I can't get it down far enough. But for example, my favorite one is this here. Flathead 660. And the lid hooks on there like so, and then the customer can see the product and show off the lid at the same time. See here that it's usually some kind of a stamp on these that they can display them with the lid open and still see what the brand is. There's a nice one here. Now I would discuss these with you if I knew anything about them, but I'm just a collector of the box itself. I like to put stuff in them. And obviously you can see, you know, I have washers here, and what did I have? Oh, a tire plug kit here. So they make handy storage devices. Cash here. But there's a quick look.
And remember, do something nice for someone today. Peace and love.